Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. When a customer brings in a device for repair, you need to issue a repair ticket by filling out this form. And after saving the ticket, you can view it here on the list and either print or send the repair ticket link to your customer. To print the ticket, click on the print option and print ticket. Choose a template, any of these three, then click on print. As you can see, you can print the ticket. And to send the repair ticket link via text message, click on this option. And easily send text message, and when your customer opens the link, this link, they will see their device's repair ticket along with its repair status, as you see. To be able to send text messages in Finty, all you need to do is to purchase SMS credit via PayPal or Stripe. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.